This is a walk-around and operation video for a 2013 Bobcat E32 mini excavator. It is similar to Caterpillar, Kubota, John Deere, and more. This Bobcat is 42,900 Canadian dollars plus tax. It has an enclosed cab with heat and AC. It has an 8,269 pound operating weight. It has a 25 horsepower, 2-speed diesel engine with 3,400 hours. It digs 11 feet 2 inches deep with the long arm. It includes a tooth bucket and hydraulic thumb. It has auxiliary hydraulics. The rubber tracks are at 70%. There is normal wear and tear. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. It's a very nice mid-sized hydraulic excavator. It is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We can ship anywhere inexpensively. Please contact us for more information. www.edgeequipmentsales.com